Hello, hello friends, it's Danny here of Danny's Dreams, and it's Saturday, so that means it's time for Saturday Showcase. If you're new to my channel, Saturday Showcase is where I share all the creations that I've made throughout the week that I still have in my possession, because I do send a lot of them out. All the details of these can be either found on my YouTube channel or on my blog, which is linked in the description box below. This week, I do have 2 weeks worth. Last week, I just only had like 1 or 2 cards, so I figured I'd just combine it. This may also be the last Saturday Showcase until December. During months that I have a video up every day, I don't do a Saturday Showcase each week, but instead at the end of the month, I will share everything I've made through the month that I still have. So let's get to it. First up, I have this I Love Fall card, which was for an Inky Paws challenge by Newton's Nook. Such sweet little stamp there, and I like that the die set for this comes with the I Love Fall, pretty papers, and then I did that on the inside. Next up, I have the cards from my card formula of 1 stamp set, 1 paper pad, and 1 sketch. So there are those, and on the inside of all of them it says, "Hey, beautiful." So those turned out so pretty. I also have a slimline card I did for the Inky Paws challenge. It was a color challenge, so I incorporated all the challenge colors with those cute kitties sticking out of there. And there's the inside of that one. And then I did do a sheet load of cards. This was the May 2023 sheet load of cards, and I just think they turned out so pretty. I kept them very simple, but with that foil accent on there, they just turned out adorable. Well, not adorable, pretty. One of those words. Yeah, it's just so pretty. So there are my creations from the last 2 weeks, again, that I have in my possession. I did do some swap cards, but I already have them mailed out. On the 1st of November, we'll start my Tag-A-Day series, which I did last year and had so much fun with, so I'm doing it again this year. And I will also have a few other videos here and there for like Kendra's card challenge. I still have several sheet loads I want to do, and just things like that. But again, I probably will not be doing Saturday Showcases until December, but I will have a showcase at the end of November, sharing everything that I made that wasn't tags. All right, I hope you have an amazing day. Go do something for yourself and go get crafty. Bye.